Hello, it's John from Currencis, and this is review number 300. In this review, we're going to look at some of the yen pairs and also the 240s to see what's in play there. Also the setups, where we're having multiple validations on some of those yen pairs, which were tremendous trades this week. All right, we have the pound dollar 240 blue dot. Has not quite validated yet. I like this trade. If it were to validate, we have a euro dollar that did validate long. We have a dollar Swiss franc, obviously validated short. Euro yen, excuse me, validated long. We have a pound yen that validated long. Kind of floundering a little bit. Same with this euro. We have an additional validation on the Aussie dollar long, New Zealand dollar long, dollar CAD quite hasn't validated up here, about 200 pips, good run up. So out of the correlated pairs, we have 1, 2, 3. 5 or 6 correlated pairs that all have validated, saying that the dollar was getting weaker this week, towards the end of the week. For now trading on the 15-minute charts in the direction of the validated signals. Here we have the euro dollar 15-minute chart. Obviously, when we had the validated 240 signal, all of a sudden out at 32.58, which sort of went nowhere. However, double blue dot validating here and moving stronger. Red dot went virtually nowhere, and this breakout short at 31.52 because obviously the 240 was starting to validate during this period of time long, hence our 15-minute shorts. However, nice move up here and move up here on the euro dollar. Here's the Aussie dollar. If you remember, we had a validation. We had a nice black dot here, move up. Also had a breakout, which didn't do very much, but then an additional black dot move up. This particular 60-70 pips right now, and we had a black dot short that did validate but went nowhere. Candle rule would have gotten us out of this thing at break even or a little bit. Couple of pips short, or actually a couple pips of a loss there, but nice move ups when the validation on the 240. Similarly, the gray dot that validated, we have a nice move up to a gray dot short, which did do okay for about 20-30 pips, and then a nice move up. And now we're back into a long. All of these 1, 2, and 3 here longs all were successful. Did virtually nothing, but 4 of the 5 signals through here all were winners. Remember that the 240 validated long, so are in play. Or were in play. This one was a winner, this one was a winner, and this one we're still in at about break even right now. Now here's a couple of setups that I was talking about on the yen pairs. This is starting, this is 21st, going into the waning parts of the week. We had some nice red dots here, short. Particular gray and black went nowhere, but we'll show some other yen charts where from this point down, this is over, within a day and a half. Short, again shorts, nice down move, and a little bit of consolidation here. So a couple of shorts. Now we'll go over to one of the other yen pairs. Shows similar moves. Same basic time period. Euro yen going from about the 111.23 range all the way down to 108. That's about in a day and a half. Again, red dots galore, shorts going on. This is the second yen pair with the same similar signal. Aussie yen, again going from about 87, 60-ish range, short, more shorts, all the way down to the 80 pip move in a day and a half. Again, similar signals to the other two yen pairs. Here is the shorts galore. Starting somewhere around this 132.27 range, going all the way down to another 200 pip move in a day and a half. 4 of the yen pairs now, all showing shorts, all going about 200 pip. And here's the 5th one, the Swiss yen, starting around the 92.20-ish range all the way down to again another 200 pip move, shorts galore in a day and a half. So we saw 5 yen pairs all confirming each other, all going 200 plus pip moves in a day and a half. This is what I talk about: confirmation and additional signals on like pairs or correlated pairs. Very important to make sure that you see these particular of the additional confirmations, and not to think so much when we're having these kind of like signals and like confirmations. All right, this is John from Currency, and remember, take a look at what your correlated pairs are doing for additional confirmations on our signals. Okay, have a good week.